I'm setting up my drip irrigation for my lavender farm. This is my well. I have a 4-hose manifold connected to an automatic timer that will water my lavender. Then I have my backflow regulator right here, my water filter to filter out any unnecessary things. You don't want it to clog your drip irrigation, so that's really important. Then I have my pressure regulator. It's 15 psi. With drip irrigation, you don't want anything higher than 15. It will destroy your drip tape. This is my mainline tubing that's going to go all the way out to my lavender plants into the drip tape. So I'm punching a hole in the main water line. This is where I'm going to hook up my drip tape. So now each one of my lavender plants will have water dripping to it.